everyone, and welcome back to my channel, The Crafting Chemist. To do the seed rib stitch, it is a combination of the seed stitch and your basic ribbing. And so what you are going to do, this is a 2-row process where we are going to first off start with a 3 knit, as so. We are going to purl 1, and then we are going to just continue alternating between the knit 3, purl 1, back and forth for the remainder of the row. So for the second row of this stitch, we are going to start with a knit 1, purl 1, and then we are going to follow the same pattern as last time of we are going to knit 3, purl 1, and just just repeating that back and forth for the remainder. And then you are going to end the row on a knit 3. Not knit 3, sorry, knit 1. So from here on out, you're just going to be repeating those 2 rows to be able to get your seated rib stitch. So as you can see here, you have a very nice raised rib in comparison to your classic rib stitch. So here's your rib, and you can see in between is your seed stitch that comes through very nicely. And what's also nice, it is completely reversible. It's going to be the same on either side. But that is how you complete the seed rib. I hope that helps and that it will be useful for your next project. Thank you for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Please like and subscribe. Bye.